Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping Chrome and making a quick profile backup so you can restore data if needed. Once done, check Chrome's version and disable sync to prevent the kit from reappearing. Next, open Task Manager and kill any processes tied to the kit. This prevents locked files. Make sure to note the extension ID or file names you find, because you'll use them directly when removing folders, executables, and system entries in the next steps. You now perform the detailed deletion. Navigate to your profile's extensions, folder, and remove the directory matching the extension ID. This deletes the core kit files. Then, uninstall any programs with the kit name via Settings or Control Panel, and manually remove orphaned executables from program files and app data. After that, use Regedit to search for the kit's keys and values. Export before changing anything, and also check Task Scheduler for persistence. Make sure to reboot into safe mode if a file is locked. Finish by clearing Chrome's cache, cookies, and then reset the browser to defaults to remove hidden settings. You should run a full anti-malware and on-demand scanner to catch residual components, and then restart Chrome to confirm the kit no longer appears and extensions haven't auto-reinstalled. If you still see activity, restore your profile backup if required and repeat removal from safe mode or use a specialized removal tool. One key troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, boot into safe mode to delete stubborn files and recheck scheduled tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.